This modest stone, what few vain marbles can, may truly say, here lies an innocent man, of manner gentle, of affections mild, in wit a man, simplicity a child, a safe companion and an easy friend, unblamed through life, lamented in thy end. Lothian Cemetery is located on Lothian Road that lies approximately half a kilometer from Kashmiri Gate. On the northeastern side of the railway bridge, one can get a glimpse of this ancient British cemetery that homes many graves.
1835 से है यहाँ पे, जो आप बता रहे हो उसके मामले में यहाँ आते जाते रहते हैं। हम तो ये पढ़ते हैं जैसे कि हमने पढ़ लिया, और या इंग्लिश में कुछ वर्ड ऐसे लिखे हुए हैं कि उनसे पढ़ के आपको हमने बता दिया 1835 से पढ़ा हुआ है, तो उन चीज़ों के बारे में सोच के हम आगे बढ़ रहे हैं इसी।
Built in the year 1808, it is the oldest graveyard of the Christian community in Delhi. Numerous European soldiers were buried here, most staff to the East India Company, along with their British women and children who had died in cholera epidemics. The moment you would enter the graveyard, you were welcomed with a huge ancient Celtic cross which symbolizes the crucifixion of Jesus Christ. The cross, which formed as one of the distinguished features of this ground, now can be seen fallen and broken along with many other structures of historical importance. People have often visited the grave in search of ghosts, but trespassing has been the least of its problems. Through the years, the land of this cemetery has been usurped to building houses, professional and government buildings.
हाँ, यहाँ पे पहले जैसे लोग रहते थे ना, तो वो अब यहाँ से चले गए। बहुत सारे मकान बना रखे थे, बहुत सारे जने रहते थे, अच्छे पैसे वाले भी थे, गरीब भी थे, तो इस तरीके से यहाँ रहते थे। फिर अफसर आए बड़े बड़े, इन्होंने देखा भाला, इनके साथ में अफसरों के साथ में लड़ाई भी हुई यहाँ पर। इनकी लेडीज़ों ने हमला भी करा, ऑफिस तक हमला करा, तो वहाँ से फिर साहब ने क्या करा, पुलिस को बुला के ना फिर इनके मकान हटवा दिए थे। अभी पीछे दीवार के पीछे देखो, दुनिया ने मकान बना रखे थे, आप झाँक के देखो, किरायों पे दे रखे थे, सब किराया खा रहे थे सब लोग।
भाई ये बहुत बड़े मकान बने हैं और इसी पे ये बिल्डिंग खड़े करके वो बना दिए।
ये कब्र हैं, ये सब
कब्र है ये।
Until the interference of Archaeological Survey of India, the cemetery struggled to keep itself intact as people had taken over the land to build housing. To fill their stomachs and pockets, these houses were put up for rent and were consumed by people in search for cheap and temporary residence. Today, the cemetery is under the preservation of ASI and has been marked as a tourist site for its historical evidence. The involvement of ASI has thrown these usurpers out of their illegally consumed land, but the damage done to these graves cannot be undone. These graves, carved beautifully with Victorian designs, are now just pieces lying on the ground, their significance mellowed in the air.